What is happening with home prices in Seattle in 2025? Are they going up? Are they dropping? Are they holding steady? Well, if you're trying to time the market, you're not alone. Buyers, right? We always want the best deal. And sellers, we want top dollar. So here's the real question. What's really happening right now in Seattle real estate? And what does it mean for you? If you stick with me through this video, in the next few minutes, I'm going to break down home prices, inventory, interest rates, and how you can make the most of this market in 2025. But first, can you take a second to subscribe to our channel and maybe give this video a thumbs up? Thank you. All right. So let's start with the three key indicators that really tell us where the Seattle market stands. The first one is what's called sales activity intensity. And this was at 39.3% last month. This tells us how fast homes are selling. So right now, nearly 40% of homes are going into that pending status or sold within the first 30 days of hitting the market. So that means that demand is still strong, but the buyers are taking a little bit more time compared to the last few months. The second one is inventory level, which was at 1.7 months of supply. So inventory is a measure of how many homes are available on the market, right? A balanced market would have about 3 to 4 months of inventory. We've got 1.7 in Seattle. That's still considered a shortage, meaning sellers have the upper hand, but buyers are starting to see a few more options. And finally, interest rates, where we're sitting at nearly 7.05%. And rates are hovering in that uncomfortable but manageable range. Buyers are adapting by exploring rate buy downs, negotiating seller concessions, getting creative with financing, figuring out new ways to house hack, such as multi-generational living. Okay, so let's put these numbers into context. The average home price was a little over $946,000. That's holding steady, even with the higher rates. But the average days on market was 54, meaning that homes are taking a little bit longer to sell. So what that tells me is that well-priced homes are still moving fast. We had 1,149 new listings hit the market, but only 721 went pending. So that means that inventory did get a slight bump. So what does this all mean for you? Well, if you're a buyer, competition is still there, but homes are taking a little longer to sell. So that's giving you some time to weigh your options. You should still be getting pre-approved before you go out house hunting so that when that perfect house does come up, you can move quickly if you need to. And don't be afraid to negotiate, okay? Many sellers are open to rate buy downs or, covering some of your closing costs. And for sellers, price strategically. The days of throwing a number out there and then just getting multiple offers in hours, well, it's cooling off. Presentation matters. Staged, well-marketed homes are still selling quickly. And then let's consider offering incentives with rates higher, helping buyers with financing options. It can make your home really stand out. All right, the spring market is right around the corner, and that means more buyers and more competition. So if you're buying, Acting Now can help you lock in a home before prices start to climb. And if you're selling, Listing Now before the other inventory hits the market, it could give you that competitive edge. All right, what do you think? Are you planning to buy or sell this year? Drop me a comment below. Let me know what you're seeing out there. Thanks for hanging out with me, and I'll see you on the next one.